Today I'm going to be showing you how to share a pet in Widgetable application. Sharing a pet in Widgetable application is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Widgetable application in the mobile phone. You can share a pet with your friend in Widgetable application by clicking on the pet option, then click on the three dots. Now click on the third option, send pet. Now as you can see, you can click on the send it now option and you can now share this link to your friend. Then your friend can use this link to receive the pets.